Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see, we're doing System Test 3. There have been some changes since System Test 2. The main change is that we finally have the second bay, which is going to be the voice bay pretty soon. So yeah, I'll show you the inside of that in a minute. And the second change is we have a True Alert remote strobe up there now. Before there was nothing in that box, now we have a True Alert remote strobe. The strobe is on the CPU power supply NACs, and this horn strobe over here, which again is not outdoor, it's just a cover plate, is on the XPS power supply module. And for the pull station, we have the 4099-9004 addressable T-bar with the LED, just like normal. Before we start the test, I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you can see what the inside of the second bay looks like. I'm going to take these dress panels off. You just press on both these black latches, pull straight out at the bottom, and then lift it up. Now you can tell this chassis is a little bit older. It's still 4100U, but it is a little bit older because the actual chassis part is non-painted, unlike the U up there. So right now this is full of blinking plates. These are all plastic. There are 8 slots, and these can be used for microphones, firefighters' telephones, button panels, anything like that. So we can go ahead and open it up with these two tabs right here. You just press them in. You just press these 2 tabs in and pull out, just like on the CPU. And this kind of hinges down. It's a little flimsy right now, so there's nothing in it. I think that's normal, just because there's no cards or anything, and these things are made out of plastic. It doesn't really have a lot of support. So that just sits down there at the very bottom. So right now, all we really have in here is the XPS, which is the main part that I ordered this for. And I will continue, that will stay in there permanently. A 4 relay plus some sort of feedback card. I'm not really sure what that does. As you can see, the amber light for communication loss is on. The best because it's not programmed into the system. And beside it, we have another relay module. This one gives you 8 relays, and then the terminal's right there. So right here are our 3 NACs. This is NAC 4, 5, and 6 on the panel, since there's 3 up on the main CPU card. And as you can see right here, I have the wires for the horn strobe. If we go up to the CPU bay, we can go ahead and open this up. And you can see right here, one end of that black cable as a 4-conductor wiring harness that Simplex provides. And it actually provides power and communications between these 2 bays. That's about it. Let's go ahead and start the test. And before we start the test, I have disabled the supervisory point on the 3030, so you won't hear the 3030 beeping or the printer on the 3030 going off. This will just be a test of the 4100U. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit the pull station in 3, 2, 1. You hear it kind of skipped that first round. You see it not synced at all. It takes a minute to silence too. There it goes. So yeah, you can tell something's wrong with, I think, probably the type of setting the NAC is set to. It's probably not Smart Sync. It could just be Solar Sync protocol that happens to work with True Alerts. But yeah, it's kind of strange. It's working. It's working, but barely. Alright, so let's go ahead and reset the pull station before I forget. And now we can go ahead and test the smoke detector. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Should be enough. There it goes. That's weird. Didn't skip this time. Go ahead and silence. Today it seems to be silencing pretty quickly. Alright, I blew out the smoke detector. Now we can go ahead and reset the system. pretty soon I will be able to get this thing programmed, so you will be seeing all these troubles gone, hopefully in the next test. And there might be another test or two after this that still has this old job file in it, but hopefully pretty soon I will be getting a brand new config for this, and I'll be able to make new config files or job files for it, so I'll be able to add and remove all the points I need. And we got it down to 40 troubles. Normally it's at around 48 before. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. There's a Discord link down in the description. You can join that and join the FATAC Discord. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.